Hello everyone, this is Jay and good morning. It's Sunday, so I get to give an update on my dividend portfolio. Today's update is going to be a little bit longer because I got to give you an update and show you the purchases from last week and the purchases from this week. So stay tuned for that. And then I also wanted to take a quick look at McDonald's, which is a stock that went down year to date. Nice percentage. So there might be an opportunity there to start a position. All right, so let's go right into my portfolio, which is this one right here. Value at over $14,000 in market value, which is awesome. I'm happy about that. That it already crossed the $14,000. But let's go into my updates tab to see which ones were the purchases that I made last week, which are these right here, all done on June 21st, which it was Friday. And I bought SCHD, of course, $25 into SCHD at a share price of $78.20. And then I put $20 into VYM. Share price was at $118.88. VYM has been doing a little bit better share price appreciation than SCHD. But with the last dividend from SCHD, you can tell that SCHD is definitely the king in dividend growth right there. All right, so and then the next ones were $10 right into Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE. I told you guys I was gonna buy a little bit heavier into Kenvue, and I'm gonna be showing you in this on these updates right here. Share price was at $18.79, and then I put my weekly $10 into FXAIX. Share price was at $190.30. Then I put $10 into both J&J and Starbucks. Both of them, I still see them as opportunity. So I'm going to continue buying those two positions right there. Share price for J&J was at $148.83. And then for Starbucks, $80.04. Then I just put a cup of coffee right into each one of these positions, which it was Pfizer, PFE. Share price was at $27.72. Then Vici, ticker symbol VICI, $28.14 share price. And then O Realty Income, share price was at $52.96 for a total of $99.76. That was from last week. And then let's scroll down to see this week's purchases, which were all done on June 28th, which it was this past Friday. And of course, I started with my weekly, no matter where the price is at, $25 SCHD into SCHD. Share price was at $77.98. That dividend was really, really nice. It hit really, really nice into my dividend portfolio. I can't wait to show you in the July's update. I'm not going to show you in the June's update. I do have the information already for the June's update on the income, so I'll probably make the video or record the video today to then post it later in the week. And then VYM, $20 right into VYM. Share price was at $119.05. Then $10 into FXAIX. Share price was at $190.20. Then I put $10 into each one of these companies, and I'm continuing to buy Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE, $18.52 share price right there. So I really want to continue building this position. Jeremy is another one that is building this position, and I don't know if anybody else is. So please leave me in the comment section if any of you are building a position into Kenvue. Then Vici, ticker symbol VICI, another one, $10. Share price was at $28.43. I'm going to continue building this real estate sector with Vici and O Realty Income, which are going to be the two that I'm going to stay with. And then Starbucks, I put another $10. I've been buying Starbucks more and more and more, and the share price was at $78.51. I just continue to see the lines, and I continue to see them a little bit busy. So I think the business is just gonna continue doing good. I got conviction on this stock. I do feel like it's gonna continue to be a good business, so I'm gonna continue to invest in it. And then J&J, $10. Share price was at $146.25. Also taking advantage of that J&J. And then I put a cup of coffee, $5 into O Realty Income. Share price was at $52.31. So that's one of my largest positions. And it's generating very nice income on a monthly basis. So that's one that I want to pay one of my bills in the future at least. Total in purchases $99.70. And then if we go into the weekly challenge, which is this one right here, and I did not post a screenshot, but I did already create the July challenge tab. So we can put the next stock right here, which you guys are going to choose. But before we talk about that, on June 17, which it was Monday or Tuesday, I think, I put $15 into Visa, share price of $270.51. And then on June 24th, I put another $10, but it cleared at $10.34. I think I put like $10.50 or $11, something like that, because I had a little bit extra. And share price was at $279.43. And as you can see right here, this is live information. As of Friday, it closed at $262.47. I just got paid the Bank of America dividend, which was a couple dollars, and it should clear, I think, Monday. So I think I got paid the dividend on Friday. So I think I'm gonna put it towards Visa. What do you think? Leave me your opinion in the comment section. That's what I think I'm going to do. And then for the July challenge, I have not thought of which stocks I'm gonna post for the July challenge, but stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button into the video to support the channel, and then subscribe to the channel so you can vote on the poll, so the poll can come out in your trend. And then you can vote on which stock is going to be selected by you, the subscriber, for the weekly challenge for July. So I'm still thinking about it. I do believe I'm going to put Kenvue. Let me go right back into my portfolio, which is this one right here. I'm thinking to put Kenvue into that weekly challenge. I put Visa already 2 months, which it won 2 months in a row. I don't know if I want to put Visa again, even though I really want to continue building that position. But I said in the previous month that I wasn't going to put Visa, but I do want to put Kenvue, which is one I really want to continue growing. Maybe Vici, VYM as one of the ETFs that I also want to continue growing, because right now I have a big gap between VYM and SCHD, and I want to put it up there with SCHD. I don't want to surpass or be bigger than SCHD in my portfolio, because I like SCHD more than VYM, and I do believe in SCHD more than VYM, but I still want that safe feeling of VYM, especially if Vanguard's ETF. You know, Vanguard is so huge in this world, got so much money, trillions and trillions of dollars that Vanguard holds. So I kind of feel pretty safe with that company right there. And this is one of their ETFs, so I want to grow it bigger, definitely bigger. And I definitely gotta put it right here in the second spot to pass Realty Income. So it's one that I might post on the poll. So, and then I don't know, give me in the comment section what other option do you think I should put as the weekly challenge for July, so I can put it in the voting poll maybe later on this afternoon. I'll probably put it later on this afternoon, and then you guys get to vote for a whole day. All right, so let's go right into the McDonald's stock analysis tab, where I have McDonald's, which is this one right here, ticker symbol MCD. Right now, McDonald's is at $254.84 per share as the close of Friday. And it looks like after hours, it's already down another 0.5% pretty much to $253.71. As you can see, if we go into their chart right here, year to date, it is down 13.63%. So down 14% right there. In the last year, it is down 12.5%. If we open up the last 5 years, it is up 23%. So it's still up if you hold long term. But in the last year, there might be some opportunity. As you can see, they took a dive into the $240, mid 240s in October of 2023. So not long ago, maybe like 7 months ago, 8 months ago, it was down in the $240 one, into the $240 mark per share. So there might be an opportunity right here, right now, right? Market cap for this company, $183 billion. Earnings per share, $11.78. PE ratio, 21.63. And then that dividend, 2.62% for any shares that you pick up right now at $254, which is $6.68 per share per year. That's a pretty nice dividend right there, especially from McDonald's. Analysts are calling this a buy right here. And I might have to agree with them. What do you think about McDonald's? I know some of you are buying it out there. So let's go right into their financials. And is this one's right here the revenue? Let's see how it is. It pretty much has been steady. It grew a little bit in 2023 from $23.1 billion to $25.4 billion. But as you can see, it's just been pretty steady. Not that bad in 2020 due to the pandemic. It went down to $19.2 billion. But it has been growing again. And then let's go into the shares outstanding. Let's see how they're diluting the shareholder. So let's pop up the graph right here. And in 2019, they had 758.1 million shares. And then now in 2023, they're down to 727.9 million shares. So they're buying back shares, but very slowly, very little bit. And I think it is due to the free cash flow, in which I'm going to show in a second. And then the earnings per share. Let's see the earnings per share real quick. Let me scroll up a little bit. And as you can see right here, the earnings per share has been staying pretty steady. 7.95 in 2019, 10.11 in 2021, and then 11.63. So it has been growing a little bit in 2023. And then the free cash flow, as you can see right here, it has been pretty steady between $5.8 billion to $7.35 billion now in 2023. So it hasn't really been growing. It has been growing, but very, very slowly also. And if we go into the next tab, which is going to be the balance sheet, let's see the total debt. As you can see right here, total debt, they have $53 billion in total debt. Most of it, I think it is long-term debt. So, which is this one right here, $50 billion in long-term debt. That would be something that maybe some people will get turned off by, all that debt. So if you could do your research and just see where all that debt is from, maybe that will help you evaluate this company and see if it is at a good price right now, especially with all that debt. That's a lot of debt right there. But honestly, McDonald's is such a huge company. It's been in business for such a long time. Let's see what they use to pay dividends. In 2023, they use $4.5 billion. So they use a big chunk of their free cash flow to pay dividends. It looks like right here from that chart. So they use a lot of dividends on there. Let me see the forecast. As you can see, the analysts are calling this a buy, consensus buy. The low price that they have right now is up already. It will be up 12%, sorry about that, to $287 in share price. And then the average, they have it at $313, which is a 22% upside. And then the high, $355, which will be a 39% upside. I do like this company. I think that $5 meal is also going to help get traffic into McDonald's, which is this one right here. I opened it up real quick. The $5 meal, I do believe that this is going to help them big time. Will they make a big margin on it? Probably not, because you get to choose. This is pretty much like them competing with Wendy's, which also have like a $5, $6 meal. Something like that with those junior bacon cheeseburgers and then nuggets, fries, and a drink. So this is pretty much the same thing. And you pick either a McChicken or a McDouble. You get a small fries, how many nuggets? 4-piece nuggets, and then a drink. This, a lot of times, it helps people, especially when they're on a budget for the week. They don't have that much money to go to maybe like Chipotle, or maybe even go out to eat anywhere, and they just gotta grab like a quick bite, something that is not that expensive. This is gonna be a good option for a lot of people. It's not the healthiest one, right? But it's $5. what else can you expect, right? So, but I think this is McDonald's moving in the right direction, to be honest with you, because McDonald's was always a fast food, cheaper options, right? You knew what you were gonna get, pretty much from food wise, right? So it was like, okay, I have a couple dollars left. It's Thursday. I get paid tomorrow. What do I go grab real quick to eat? All right, let me just go ahead and grab from the dollar menu McDonald's, right? That was a couple of years ago, but now they no longer have a dollar menu. So going with this option, I think it's gonna be good for the business, especially to bring in traffic, because people are not just gonna go for that $5 meal. They're gonna go with their kids. Their kids are gonna want a Happy Meal, right? Where they probably get a better margin on that meal. Or people will probably go for milkshakes if the machine is working, right? Or a Sunday, a McFlurry. McFlurries are very expensive too. So people will probably go for some of those other options. So I do believe this was a good move right there for McDonald's. And leave me in the comment section if you're buying McDonald's. It is one that I like. I kind of like this company right here to invest in, right? I usually, when I go to McDonald's, I like their fries pretty much. That's what I really like. And from their breakfast menu, I like their McGriddles. I do like that sandwich right there. That's pretty much it. So yeah, so let's go back into my portfolio. McDonald's would be nice, that one stock that maybe I can add into this portfolio, right? I do want to move on from MPW eventually. Not yet. I think they're gonna recover. I do have some hope that MPW will turn things around. And I don't know, maybe I won't move on at all in the future if they do really good and they fix everything. But as of right now, I have it as I'm going to be moving on from MPW. Maybe it will be one good stock, right? McDonald's to replace MPW in the future. But as of right now, I do see a nice opportunity right there. If you do your research, right? And you take a look at it. Apple is one I'm still very happy. I mentioned in the previous video, I'm up 47%. Good thing I have not sold yet. Thanks to, I think it was Jeremy that posted in there about selling Apple. And then I know Randy in the past also have told me a few times in the comment section that one of his biggest mistakes was selling a stock too early. So I do believe that. I do appreciate everybody's comments. I do read them. I do reply to them personally because there might be things that I might not be seeing in a stock, right? The more opinions or the more eyes into a stock, right, better, right? It doesn't mean that I need to take all the opinions to heart or to like really base my research based on one opinion only, right? But there might be something, there might be a detail that one of you guys, like Carlos saw, right? That JL saw, right? So there's like many different opinions out there that are gonna be good opinions. They're gonna mean well. Some opinions are gonna be bad, right? They're gonna be people like negative people, but there might be some opinions that might help you, right? So it's always good. That's why I created this channel, of course, to share my journey, right? So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then to see and read others' opinions. I really like to do that, and there might be things that I might be missing. Some opinions, of course, you guys mean well, about selling certain stocks and anything like that. I try not to sell any of my stocks. I want to hold long term. I do see how some of the greatest investors have made their money, which it has been holding great companies, right? So it's always good. Like for example, let me do an Apple right here chart, as you can see right here. So let's open up like the last 5 years, right? So if you see in 2019 Apple, the shares $50.65. Then it went up, then it went down. So probably people will sell right here when it went back down to the $57 from like an all-time high of $81, right? And people will probably sell. They'll panic, they'll sell, right? Which is a normal behavior along investors, right? and it's also your feelings, right? Your emotions. If you go by your emotions, you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot lose all my money, right? I have invested so much, especially people that have thousands and thousands of dollars invested in Apple, but they go ahead and they panic sell right here. But then look at this, Apple just continued to go up and up and up, and people might sell here, they might buy here, right, on this downturn, but then once it goes down even more below, they might sell again. But as you can see, it just continues to go up and up, and whoever that bought here and held through all of these downsides right here, now it is up 336% from 5 years ago, right? So this is something that I see when I look at interviews from very big investors, is that a lot of them, they buy and hold for years. They don't buy, hold for 3 months and then sell. I see all the ones that have made a lot of money, have been very, very successful in investment and investing, have made mistakes and have bought and hold stocks for some time. So that was a good opinion that I wanted to share real quick with you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel. The channel gained like about 9 subscribers since Friday's video, which it was awesome. I really appreciate everyone's support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel also. I'm gonna see if today I have time. I'm gonna try to do the June income video, and then I'm gonna see if I could do part 1 of the tutorial of how to create this spreadsheet right here. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.